Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit funds onto your account on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage from where you can check out the various markets. Now, if you wish to fund your account, then in order to do so, go ahead and tap on Wallet at the bottom section. Now, within this page, you will see the deposit button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will need to fill up some personal information. Tap on the Start button and then enter your first and your last name as well as your date of birth. After proceeding forward with these information, just complete the CAPTCHA test and now enter your phone number. After you enter these information, you will now be able to deposit funds onto your account. Just choose your payment method from the drop-down menu, and now you can choose your debit or credit card as well as various cryptocurrencies as well as fast processing methods. Just enter the details of the payment method that you have chosen and then choose the amount that you would like to deposit. Finally, you can tap on the deposit button and the chosen amount will be deducted from your payment method and deposited onto your Libertex account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to deposit funds onto your Libertex wallet account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.